We have Cheryl and the beautiful Jasmine. Legs. Otherwise known as Legs. And these poor ponies that have to keep up with her crazy ass. Fabio and Angie. And Juby and me. And Juby decided she is going to be in heat after all. I thought she was going to stop this winter for a change, but no. But that's alright. Fast and Furious. Here we go. What the hell? Fabio's slow in the back. Oh, we're walking. There's a trot all the way to here, almost. Juby, I so thought you were going to take a break from being in heat for a winter for a change. We have yet to do that. Hello. Jasmine looks like she has to pee. Are you peeing, Jasmine? Are you parking out like a saddlebred? Wait till you see her legs. Butt shot. Bobby! Juby squirting tail in almost November. This is probably... That's what I said. She looked like she had to pee. She says, that's what happens when you stand in cold water. She's so cute. Jasmine! Jasmine's gonna go for a swim. It's pretty deep over there, Cheryl. She says, I'm not too sure. Footing isn't too sturdy, Mom. Stay here, Bean. Good girl. You gotta be the camera pony. Stand here nice. Bean. Bean, stop. Stop! Okay. Stand here and squirt.
Almost got a bluebird.
Oh! Fabio! He says, I don't think so, Mom. Fabio, what's wrong with you? You're such a chicken these days. That's twice we've been down here and he hasn't gone in. He says, I just want to jump up the bank, Mom. I like to play the mountain goat thing. Hi, Juby. You want a cookie? He says, duh. There she is. It gets deep down there. You might get a blooper. Might get a Jasmine blooper. Stand there, Judy. Good girl. Good girl. I heard the happy feet. But Mom, don't you like being smashed in the tree? Getting deeper. Ruh-roh. Getting deeper. Oh my God, Juby'd be up to her, way past her belly. Oh my gosh. Good girl, Jasmine. Good girl. Way to go, Legs. Oh, now he put his head up. He was dragging his nose on the ground. Tired pony. Juby, she knows every time I turn the camera on. She goes for eating. Legs is giving us a workout. Mama long legs. Okay, this could be suicidal. Last hill, I gotta try to get a little bit of run action. I've been too chicken shit to do it. I need both hands. In heat pony going fast. It's a little crazy. Roll. She says, squirt. Oh, good girl. She says, I can trot it.